Welcome to Take channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to remove someone from Slack. Now, I'll show you how to remove someone from Slack channel, as well as how to remove them from a workspace. So just go ahead and open up your Slack app, or just open up any of your browser that has Slack. And after that, just open up the workspace that you want to work on. Just click on launch. Then just wait for it to launch. You can just click on use Slack in your browser. And then just give it some time to load. As you can see, I'm on this channel. Then I can just click here on the channel name and get the channel details. From here, I can go to members. From here, I can see all the members list over here. There's only 2 members in this channel. I can click on the other member and click on this 3 dot icon and click on remove from channel. And by clicking on this, I can remove a member from the channel. Now, how to remove a member from a workspace. To do that, just go to the left hand side, go to the workspace name, click on the drop down menu, then just go over tools and settings, then just go to manage members. Then just wait for it to load, and you'll see all the members over here. You can invite more people from here, you can just export full member list, and you can also remove members from here. So just click on the 3 dot icon on any other member other than you. The first one is me. So just click on the 3 dot icon on any member. And you'll see 2 options over here, rather 3. Edit profile, change account type, and deactivate account. Now if you click on deactivate account, what happens? The member will no longer be able to sign into this workspace. The member's messages and files will still be accessible in Slack. So basically, they'll be removed from this workspace. Just click on deactivate and your work will be done. And basically that is how to remove someone from Slack. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe